In this video, I will show you how to fix the Waze app when it says no GPS showing approximate location. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you need directions. But don't worry, I will guide you through some simple steps to get your GPS working again. To get started, swipe down from the top of your device's screen. This action reveals quick settings and notifications. Next, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Location. Tap on Location to access its settings. Here, you'll notice that location services are currently turned off. To enable location services, simply toggle on this switch. This action allows apps like Waze to access your device's GPS information. Now that location is enabled, go back to the main settings page by tapping the back button. Scroll all the way down until you reach Apps. Tap on it. At the top right corner of the Apps page, there's a search button. Tap it and type in Waze, then hit Search. Select the Waze app from the search results displayed. You'll be directed to the app info page where various options are available. On this page, look for Permissions and tap it. It's essential that all necessary permissions are allowed for Waze to function correctly. Make sure that location permission is granted. Additionally, toggle on the switch next to Use Precise Location. This ensures that Waze has accurate data regarding your whereabouts. After adjusting permissions, return to the Waze app info page. Scroll down a bit more until you see Storage. Tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache. Clearing cache data can help resolve issues where old or corrupted files might interfere with GPS functionality. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, enabling location services, checking permissions in Waze, and clearing cache, you should now have your GPS working perfectly again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.